And shouldn't that tell you something, Trevor? That we all have one smart thing in common: to keep our child away from you.
Hey, you know, say I never this me come here for. I come here so to have a civil conversation with you, you know.
Who do you think you're talking to? Trevor, do not raise your voice at me. And this is a civil conversation, sir. It just involves the truth that you are trying to evade. You were never a fit father.
Let me tell you this. You're not going to use my past and judge me. You understand? Me I play my role now.
Oh, look at you. So you've now settled down with Camille and her daughter?
Our daughter.
Whatever. So that makes you credible now? It's only a matter of time before you become Bugsy again.
Patsy, here. Just tell me where and when I forgot get the blood for the youth. And I could just done this.
And I'm saying you don't need to anymore. I'll work around it.
And this will meet up for? And this will really meet up for?
You wanted to meet, not me.
Because me didn't want to meet up and reason like two big people. Just for the sake of a son.
Trevor Sullivan, I was lonely and missing the person that I was with when we met. It was a moment of weakness. I got pregnant, and that's when I found out who you were and the many baby mothers you have.
You go back over this again?
No, Trevor, I'm not angry. Not anymore. You were missing for a period of time and I was bitter, yeah. But I'm now in a great job and I'm taking care of myself and my son.
But I'm my son too. I know him need him father. Money can't solve everything. But right now, we just want to do the right thing. Right now, him need blood. And I have to deal with it. Patsy, I know what happened in the past. I know I hurt you. But I don't want my son to suffer because of that.
He will never suffer, Trevor. He has me.
I know some I mean, Patsy. I don't want him grow up without a father in his life because of what we did have. You see, after him get through that surgery, I want that in his life. I'm the only son that you know.
He's at Children's.
What you really say? Children's? You can't move him.
Trevor, keep your voice down. Why should I move him?
You know, hear what going with there? With one of the DJ, the manager daughter.
Yes, and?
You still trust up there?
That doesn't matter. There's still great doctors there, and I have a link.
Hey, make sure so your link strong enough. Cause me burn down up at that, you know. You don't know.
You know, madness aside, this is all cute to see you playing the father role. This should have all been recorded.
I know I mess up in the past, you know, Patsy. But I love me youth them. Right now, me in a better place where I can take care of them.
The only one that you really take care of is your firstborn, Trevor.
All of them get their money monthly.
Back to square one. Children need more than money, Trevor. At least mine does. And you can't provide that for him.
Of course we can do that.
So you plan on leaving Camille and living with us?